When I was a fundraiser, we had a real problem with lapse donors. And I was a Virtuous customer back then, so this is what we did. We focused on two segments: lapsed donors, or those who hadn't given in 12 months, and then what we called pre-lapsed, which is those who hadn't given in a while, but were coming close to that lapse point. So we created different messaging for those two different segments, and we set up an automation that would send out emails, letters, or voicemails. We could even put calls in, so they would get a specific ask for a specific project. And this was a series, so they got multiple follow-ups until they actually gave. And it's easier than you think within Virtuous. You just click on Automation, then Template Library, and then this donor retention workflow right here is how you can set it up. So I can name it, call it donor retention workflow. So as you can see, it sets up what you may want as a pre-lapse donor workflow and a lapse donor workflow. And you can change the delay between the different messages. You can change if it's a call, an email, a voicemail. This is just really a template to get you started. And you can adjust it for your organization and your messaging. But I just wanted to show you how easy it is to get started. You're not really starting with a blank screen here. For my previous organization, we saw an ROI of over 600% for our donor retention campaign just using this automation. So it was well worth it. So if you haven't turned on a lapsed or pre-lapsed automation, I'd highly recommend it. And even if you have turned it on, I'd recommend looking at it again, refreshing it. Is there anything you can change to make it even more successful?